One simple move and your mix comes to life. Have you ever wondered why your mixes sound dull, while songs that you hear in the radio feel alive and warm? What if I told you there is a secret trick that the pros love, and there is a reason that top engineers never skip this crucial step? Most people overlook this simple but really powerful trick. In this video, I'll show you an advanced technique to get that pro sound that you really want. Hey guys, I am DJ Legion from Audio Waves Academy, and if it is your first time here, this channel is all about teaching you everything related to music production and sound engineering. In today's video, I'm going to show you advanced saturation techniques while using the Saturn 2 from Fabfilter. You will learn how to add warmth, depth and clarity to your master and making it sound more professional and polished. Today's tutorial is a part of my masterclass, Mastering with Fabfilter Plugins. If you want to take your mastering skills to the next level, check out the link in the description below for the full course. Now let's go and jump right in. Okay, now our next step is to go and use the saturator that has also the linear phase here mode and the high quality. We are going to choose the superb mode because why not? We want the best quality possible. And then we are going to go and saturate only the higher frequencies that we already mentioned earlier, somewhere there, like above 10K, near 10K, somewhere there, because we wanted to add a little bit more brightness on our track, and we are going to try to make it a bit warmer. Let's go and activate this one. And now I'm going to firstly to saturate above 10K, as we already said, somewhere there. Let's go and choose the 7K because we want also the frequencies that are below 10K to be saturated. And we're going to use only these three tools here: the drive, the dynamics, and the volume. So let's go and try to make it a bit brighter here on this frequency spectrum.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound.
Let's go and choose also some other saturator here. Let's go and try the subtle saturation.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic.
Let's have a look how it is with and without.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like.
I found that it makes the track more alive in these frequencies here, but I think it was a bit too much. Let's go here. By the way, if you are enjoying this breakdown, make sure to hit the subscribe button. One of my biggest goals for 2025 is to reach 15K subs. So I think it is really impossible, to say the truth, but your support would mean the world to me. Plus, I have so much more to share with you this year, so you don't want to miss it.
Toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound.
And here we have also the mix. Let's go and put it down.
Sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so tight.
Remember, you don't want to overdo this, but you just want to add this brightness on your track. And now let's go and try in these frequencies here. We don't want to add any saturation on the low part, so that's why I'm going to choose only the mid lows here above, let's say like 700, 800.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poisons we like. Toxic, toxic, is not just a rebound. I wanna run, but you keep me so so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound.
Okay, I really like how it sounds. Now I just wanted to use this dynamics knob here, which is going to be a parallel compression on these frequencies here between 800 and 4K. So if I go here and stay a little bit with my mouse, you will see that help is going to come up. And here it says the dynamics knob increases or decreases the dynamics of a band. Turn it left to expand the signal, and which works miracles on guitar sounds, blah, blah, blah. Turn it on the right to squash the signal to introduce heavy pumping, which is great for spicing up your drum loops or vocals. So I already wanted to make it a bit more dense here, so that's why I'm going to turn it on the right side.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound.
Let's overdo it a little bit so that you can hear what we are doing.
Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic.
You hear right now that it's pumping a lot.
You keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly
And then here it comes much brighter.
toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a
Okay, I really like how it sounds right now, and I want to show you another technique. If you want, you can use this one on this track, but it's not a must, like doing like every time. I'm going to saturate only the sides. So this is possible when I go here and add this band and choose this one on 60 dBs here on this crossover, and I want to sidechain a bit more above 500, somewhere there, and I go here down, and if you see, you have the left, right, and if I click here, you have the stereo. So the way you want to achieve this sound is go here and drive pan on the stereo, and now we are going to saturate only the stereo field.
toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight.
I'm just overdoing now so that you can hear what we are doing.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so
You have to be really careful here, because if you overdo it, you're going to hear right away that the signal is going to be distorted.
toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound. I want around, but you keep me so tight, so tight. Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound.
Now let's go and mix it in.
You keep me so tight. Your love is toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound.
Also don't forget to choose the linear phase and the high quality.
Toxic, toxic, sweetly poison, sweet like toxic, toxic, you're not just a rebound.
listen also here on the verse.
But nothing gonna make me, but nothing self-alive. Cause it's easy to be a victim, easy to be a toy. I don't wanna feel my pain through broken bones. Let me alone. I don't wanna play. There's no way I can save me. I really wanna try.
The difference is really subtle here, but if you hear later on our final master, you are going to hear that this adds an extra sauce on your final sound. And that's how you can use advanced saturation techniques to bring your master to life. But here's the thing, great mastering starts with a solid foundation, and one really great tool that can help you to have a really great foundation is the Serato sample. If you want to learn the easiest way to make a beat using Serato sample, check out this video right here where I break down how you can go and use the Serato sample to be more creative. See you there.